If you like that video, you can check out more right here.
And if you want to watch a full game, click over here.
And if you like all this stuff, like and subscribe.
But the full game is still over here.
Correct, but we've got more videos right up here.
I mean, the full game's pretty cool over here.
See you later!